Hello, 6th graders. Welcome to Big Ideas Math, Contract Math, Section 1.2, Adding Integers Activity. Pause while you write Section 1.2 activity in your math notebook. Pause again while you write today's activity objective in your math notebook. Today's activity objective is to add integers with the same or different signs using integer counters and a number line. Now you need to copy the following vocabulary words, definitions, and examples in your notebook. The first word is opposites. Opposites are two numbers that are the same distance from 0 but on opposite sides of 0. -3 and 3 are opposites. Additive inverse is your other vocabulary word, and that means the opposite of a number. So the additive inverse of 8 is -8. Be sure you copy everything exactly as it appears on the screen, and be sure you include the example in your notebook. Today we'll be working on page 7 in your record and practice journal. We'll be doing the first example in order to get you ready for the activities. The essential question is the sum of the two integers positive, negative, or 0, and how can you tell? Let's look at example 1, adding integers with the same sign. Our directions are to draw a picture to show how you use integer counters to find -4 plus -3. Integer counters are just circles with either a negative or a positive sign inside them. So if you're drawing a counter for a negative number, you would draw a circle with a negative sign in it. If you're drawing a counter for a positive number, you would draw a circle with a positive sign in it. So since we're drawing a -4, you would draw, just like I have drawn here, 4 circles with negative signs in them. So draw that in your book, and then draw an addition sign, and then draw 3 circles with negative signs in them to represent the -3. So then count up how many circles you have with negative signs in them, and you'll find that you have 7 circles with negative signs in them. That means that your sum of -4 plus -3 is -7. Your assignment for this mini lesson is to complete the following questions and to show your work and be prepared to share during our next class. Use integer counters, like I've just shown you, to model the following sums: +3 plus -2 and -4 plus +2. Now, I didn't show you any problems with positive numbers, so I want you to try these, and if you don't understand, do your best, and we'll talk about these questions tomorrow in class. It's fine to not totally understand them. Be sure to ask me questions. Please remember, to earn credit for viewing this flipped lesson, you need to complete your exit slip back at the website. You also need to come to our next class prepared with the journal pages that we did during the flipped lesson or any other work that we did for the flipped lesson completed. You also need to be prepared with any work that was assigned in the flipped lesson completed, and be ready with any questions you have for your teacher, and as always, have a good attitude. We'll see you tomorrow in class. Remember, to earn credit for viewing this flipped lesson, you must complete your exit slip. You must come to our next class prepared with your journal pages or any other work that we did during the flipped lesson completed, and you need to be prepared with any work that was assigned during the flipped lesson completed. Be prepared with any questions you have about the content of the flipped lesson and a good attitude. We'll see you in class tomorrow.